This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete all Instagram messages on iPhone. So if you want to delete multiple Instagram conversation at once, follow this step-by-step guide. So first of all, you have to convert your personal account to a professional account. So go to your Instagram profile, tap on this menu icon, settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on account type and tools, tap on switch to professional account, continue. Now tap on this cross icon, and once you converted your account to a professional account, now go to your message, and here you will get this 3-dot icon. So tap on it and tap on select chats, and now you will be able to select multiple chats or conversation. Then tap on delete, and this is how we can delete all Instagram messages at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.